Okay, folks, listen, welcome back to another WestCoast Grudge Racing Media, production, right? So listen, today we're getting ready to give you guys an update, on this 86 Fox Body, right? This is John Meade from John Meade Racing. I'm out here in Lakewood, California. I'm getting ready to show you guys what I can show you. We're gonna keep the secrets, to ourselves, right? So with that being said, look, I'm gonna go ahead and just start giving you an update, and then John can tell you better than I can, because he's been doing all of the work, right? I'm gonna be putting a motor in here. I know you guys wanna know what it is. We got two motors, two different options, so I'm trying to figure out which one I'm gonna go. As you can see, it's set up, if you guys know your plates, that's set up for an LS motor. Might be an LS billet motor going here, I don't know. Who knows? Hey, who knows? But listen, we're just looking at this right now, and actually we're gonna go pick up a dummy motor, set it in here so we can do fuel, fuel tank and the necessary lines. Oh, but one thing I will say, listen, he's starting to beautify and clean everything up, right? So we're just looking at here, seeing what needs to be done, what needs to be replaced, what he needs to repair. John, what is our next move up here besides putting in this dummy motor in here? Doing the rest.
So I think we're going to start with more cleanup and more parts. First off, probably a master cylinder, and then we're going to run some brake line. We need the line lock for burnout. Beautify still all down here, get all the dirt off, make it look all pretty, and then just finish the door panels, making them sturdier. Made some aluminum, got the hinges better, striker plate, more reinforcement down here on the door. Starting to get all the gook and dirt, grease out of the inside, so we can put some flame retardant carpet. Got to be safe.
Right, got to be safe. We
got a fiberglass dashboard coming. Right. We have a shifter coming, a seat. We got a seat ordered, and electronics.
Right. I just spoke to Body today. When he gets into the plane, he can brought it on the carry-on with him. All of the wires, all of the sensors,
okay,
and everything. So you guys want to know, we're going with Haltech. You know what I mean? That's what I'm putting this. That's who Body uses, so he's going to help me along with my tuning. You know what I mean? And we'll just leave it like that. You guys will see who the tuner is. And if you know Body, you know who the tuner is already. You know what I mean? But I got it. I'm starting like way out here on the limb already. It's not like I built up to this. Right. But anybody that know me know that my personality, and I got the drive and I got the heart for this kind of stuff right here. I've been saying I'm ready to go fast, so let's do it. All right, so look, then just to update, to give you some more information, putting in Lexan windows.
Yeah, all I did was take a bigger sheet, copied the old one. Fits like a glove. Yeah, got new hardware coming.
Right.
But I think we're gonna 86 these and use. I ordered some dark tint, and we're gonna do that. So I got to remake 2 more. No biggie.
And because this window have this bracing like this, you don't have to run like this. Like how our windows, we don't have the framing.
Oh, right.
So you don't have to run the bracing on these windows. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Right,
that saves you a lot of headache.
And he said the hardware, so that means you're gonna go with the nice.
Yeah, a little stainless.
Yeah.
Takes about an hour to put them in, but
right. But listen, once we put them in, we ain't gotta do them on. Right. Oh, just a heads up, only put in a few once you put it in there.
Yeah.
Because then when it comes time to do the sand and all of that. Right. Now look, you said paint. I told you I'm not painting. I got it. Everybody take their Mustang.
You're gonna wrap. I'm a wrap.
Yeah, I'm a wrap.
That's something.
You know what I mean? Unless we can block that off over there, turn that into a booth. You know what I mean? Just spray it one color or something like that. But
see that purple? Right?
Yeah. That's it. Hey, that's it. And he's finna do something with this right here. You know what I mean? Update this. So.
Yeah. What you gonna update?
We like a little bit clean.
Oh, clean.
Clean. We want to clean that up. Maybe go with some aluminum.
Just make an aluminum panel that covers it.
I mean, this gonna be painted though. You want to go?
Yeah, you only see from here on out because the hood covers all that.
And you want to put aluminum panel on it?
Yeah. I seen that. I'll just show you what we talking about. I'll show you a picture of that.
Not seeing it. Okay.
So you guys getting a chance to see that. Hey, so listen, it's not really that much more I can show you because I should have showed it to you guys, when you had a chance to see it when it was like, it was just, I'm gonna just say it was ugly. It's still going through its what we say, this transformation. You know what I mean? But now we got a clear picture of what's happening. Like I say, I got electronics coming. Drop this motor in here. Put these turbos where they're supposed to be. And start doing this piping and all that kind of stuff.
Man, this car is super light, man. I don't know if you know what you're getting yourself into.
Stop it, bro.
I don't think you really understand what you're getting yourself into, man, with this kind of power. And this light as this car is, it's gonna be a whole nother ball game. Right?
Hey, now you say light? Let me show you light, man. Come on, y'all. He should have never said that. Let me show him what light is. So this is what the car look like, more or less, once John gets through with it. You know what I mean? I just want to give you guys a quick note on this right here. I can't never take my car home because even though the car be running good, I'm out there doing great, banging the gears, cashing the check, holding the trophy, which be second place, by the way. Yeah, Anthony. I know. I gotta pay homage to Anthony Harris, man, because if I don't, he gonna tap in down at the bottom and be like, "You sure you was holding the trophy?" I was holding a plaque. let me just keep it real. You know what I'm saying? They fact checking now, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Definitely that.
But even if the car was running good, I can't never take it home because right when I say, "All right, John, I'm gonna go ahead and take him home," he say, "No, we want to do something to it."
We ain't taking.
He ain't taking it. So look, I'm just a driver on this. This is what I call light.
Light. Now imagine putting 2,500 horsepower to this, man. Imagine that. I can't.
Well,
that's what I'm saying. So then you start realizing how critical them shoots are. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
They gotta come out. Them shoots gotta come out, baby.
Right. You know what? I never ever pulled my shoots in this right here.
Yeah, I didn't need my super gas car. I didn't ever pull a shoot. Oh no, you know what? I did. And that's because my depth was, I didn't know that I had, I couldn't, everything like the finish line, the wall coming up. Yeah.
Hey, so you know what I want to do? I want to show you guys. You guys want to see an in-depth look of this bug right here? I'll let you guys take a look. I'm gonna have the camera come around that side, and then you guys can look in there. You can see some of the work that he do. It's still kind of like taking apart in the inside, but I can tell you it's ready. And I know his neighbors over here, they don't want to hear this noise, so I probably will wait till tomorrow before I ask him to fire it up. But she ready now, programmed and ready to rock and roll. You guys can look right here. You know, I mean, these are just aluminum panels. You can see how the engine comes in the inside. So that's all the firewall protection. For those of you guys that are new, most of the people on here, you know what, this channel is about, this is for everybody. Whether you know something about it, we're going to educate you. And then those who do know, you know what you're looking at right now, but this is everything right here. Mr. Meade right here from John Meade Racing, he built and did everything. I got a fuel tech, system inside of this right here, but this is it. And then this is something different that you guys don't really see as far as like on a Volkswagen, you know what I mean? This is the VW, it's still a 4-cylinder, right? But this is the Holly 750. It's been worked, drilled, lightened. I don't know, they done did a whole lot of things to it. I don't know everything they done to it, but all I know is when it come time to sit in that seat right there, I'm the man. All right, so come on over here. You know what, after I said the carburetor, I forgot to say this part right here. This carburetor right here goes on my old motor. It's just sitting in here. We'll take this out and cap that off. Now, if you guys look down there, you can see there's no tube on here. This is where I used to have it. It used to come this way and come here to the turbo, which the turbo was actually in a different direction. It was reversed, right? This exhaust came out of the other side. That's what that's for. But if you know what you're looking at right here, this is an injected motor now. This is what I had been always wanting to do. So this right here doesn't need no carburetor. It runs off of this up here with my throttle body, my blow-off valve, my turbo, and my wastegate. This is the whole setup. So what I can do is, he just said right now we can't fire it up, just so you can see. It'll fire up, you know what I mean? And we're not gonna do no revving because again, it's the evening time and we don't want to like really disturb nobody, but a quick fire up, smell a little M1. Oh no, it's pump gas in there right now. That's right. Yeah.
All right, fire in the hole.
You hear that little noise right there? You're gonna hear that the whole time I'm talking. It's getting a little bit quieter now. But when you have that ball bearing. Okay, so that's basically it. Most of you guys know me from having my VW back in the back right there. You know what I mean? Like I say, this is my newest adventure. You know what I mean? You guys, when I show what I can show, next time you guys see it, it's gonna be a whole lot further along than it is. We got a lot of things coming. Some things I haven't even mentioned yet, but the things are gonna start coming together and you guys will see. It won't be long before we be starting something.
Won't be long till we at the track.
Oh, there you go.
I'm ready to track. Yeah. Well, you got a hit. You got a hit in your system. Just by the way, man, this is my drug. Drug of choice is racing. So when I say take a hit, I mean he in the lanes and he got to take a hit and got to get to go down the track.
So look, I'm gonna say this in front of him so he can see it himself. And you can hear it out of your eye, out of my mouth,
your mouth, my ears.
Your ears, homie.
100%.
I will be happy. I'm telling you, homie, might even put tears in my eyes, and I'm gonna make sure I got my visor up so it don't get, you know, foggy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I promise you, when they say this lane is up next and I'm behind you or in front of you and we turn out together, you better have your shit together, homeboy.
Hey.
You know what I mean? Hey, you guys don't know, man, this dude have epic battles on the trees.
On the trees.
On the trees.
Everything.
So, you know
but
what
I know,
so.
hey, listen, hands down, first time I even seen this dude drive, I told my buddy Huey, I said, hey, he a bad dude. I'm looking at his confidence, and everything is a mind game. Just like anything you do, it's a mental. And I seen your confidence and how you got in the car. I said, he dangerous. I said that. Actually, if you, he would tell you, he'd tell you, I said, hey, he dangerous. He gonna be bad in there. And you did. You was cutting lights and all that, but it's all about the mental stability, man. It ain't even about.
That's so important, bro.
Yeah, it is. It is. You, if you ain't got a clear head, you can call it a day, man. You ain't got no win in your belt. Dude, you can have the baddest car out there.
Right.
Baddest car out there and can't win because your mental stability ain't there. That's what I like about this. When I'm getting in that car and they strapping you in, homie, and that heart rate start going up, bring that temperature, let that cooling fan come on and cool yourself back down, because you inside, your heart rate, your pressure's up, you got adrenaline pumping. It's just like getting in a fight. It's the same emotion. Your mental is going, you're trying to think, you're trying to remember, okay, I said I do this. You can sit all day in this car and say, I'm gonna pull the car, I'm gonna shift gears, I'm gonna turn on, and get in the car, and they fire the car up and forget everything, put it in reverse and take off and go backwards. You know, I done seen that.
I'm just gonna do a small burnout.
I'm gonna do a small burnout.
Hey,
famous last
he
word.
said that because I said I was gonna do a small burnout. I went all the way down to almost to 330. Ooh, smoke everywhere. You know what I'm saying? But hey, you know what? It got me ready though.
Yeah,
you know
got you. The burnout is that's your cool down. That's your radiator. Before that burnout, you already know the pressure, right? When you first strap in and y'all pull into the lane, your jitteries is going. Soon as you do your burnout and you backing up, you relax. Am I lying?
Right, no,
you
that's
relax.
it.
You like, whew, okay.
It's
now
the stop. It's the back. I got it. I open my door, let all the tire smoke out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm cool with that. I bring it all the way back. You know, and then when okay, so Mike, that's Mo Better Blues.
Okay.
You know, that's my boy. He get me back, and then he tell me to stop. When he tell me to stop, that's when it's like everything's been going. I'm absorbing everything. Soon as I stop and I hit my transmission and I push that, you know, I got 2 levers to go back into first. Right. When I push that forward, that's when it becomes from being this wide with my vision to just like this. And it's almost like I can hear it, folks. It's like it's like ooh. And after that, then I watch one dude. I can see people moving and all of that, but in my brain it slows down and it's almost like I can only explain it like how it is in a movie.
You see all that pressure, folks?
You know what I mean?
When he get in the lane with me, he gonna be in bad shape. I just listened to that whole service.
Hey.
My boy just took it to church. Hey,
Hey.
I'm gonna mess with him. I'm gonna go sit with him for about 5 minutes.
Hey, listen, once I back up, homie, you can do whatever you. Hey, I have no preference of going in first, last.
Hey, I'm
when
gonna
your
tell you,
sister drove, it don't make me no difference.
I'm gonna tell you the one that I know is the most mental game playing entry.
What?
Good luck.
Oh, yeah.
When the other driver
right.
do that, he already he working with you, and I know that was a big pressure when
don't bother me.
Oh no, not now,
Yeah.
but I had to understand it first.
Right.
Good luck. I'm like, man, we racing. I confused me. Man, we racing together. Why would they give me good luck? And now you mentally gone in the starting line, in the lane. Good luck to you.
I'm gonna tell you somebody cool too. You know, keep bringing him up. Anthony Hearns. Like when we race, he say, "I know you finna take this," but he said your car violent is jumping all over the ground. And when he told me, he said, "I'm glad to hear you starting to work on your suspension on the bug." Right? He said, "Cause smooth is fast." Same thing you've been saying. He quoted you on the phone. Didn't even know. He said, "Smooth is fast." So all that getting out of the hole, I mean, that's important too. But you want to be able to get off the light, cut a good light, and be smooth.
Well, the thing is, getting out the hole, yeah, that's great. But you don't want to get out the whole body. You don't want the body movement. You want the car to. All that extra wasted energy for everything else the car is doing, that's all forward energy. So the car just smooth and it go. It doesn't have to be crazy looking. You just want it to get from here to here. You know what I'm saying?
So I wish I could put some clips inside of this video right here just to show. What I've seen is, I can tell you the 3 fastest times I've had, I did crappy burnouts. You know what I mean? Just like I did, for whatever reason, I didn't get my burnout right? So now, when I take off, it drove out, right? It never popped, got off the ground. My wheelie bars was too short. Actually, I saw on a picture when I was in Texas, the whole car off the ground, bro. So I ran out of gear. You see what I mean? Now it's free revving.
Dude, you way out. I'm looking at your car when you leave now. Your car out of gear. As soon as you leave, let go. When you leave,
right? Because as soon as it lands on, it touch. As soon as the wheelie bars touch, it's trying to lift up on the wheelie bars. So we extended them already. You know what I mean? Last time I drove the car, even though I was having clutch problems, it drove out though, bro.
You want to barely touch the wheelie bar. You don't even want no pressure on it. You want them to touch the wheelie bars and roll.
And that's what electronics is. I don't have to leave with 25 pounds of boost no more. You know what I mean? Now we controlling it. So it's interesting. I mean, she's set up and ready to run right now. You know what I mean? And you guys don't know. I'll let you guys know in just a little bit in these next few videos. But we finna go out here and do some things. You know, have a little fun. You know what I mean? So I'm out here in Lakewood, California. You know what I mean? So you know I'm out here. We finna move this out the way, and that's all I'm gonna say. You know what I mean? Hey, we'll show you later. Hey, with that being said, you know how we do. This is the West Coast Grudge Racing Media production. Guess what, folks? We out. Peace.